My name is Nicole Powell. I am our community cooks and mailbox manager here at Appetite for Change. Appetite for Change is a nonprofit that uses food as a tool to build health, wealth, and social change in the community. In our community, there's not a lot of food options. There's not a lot of fresh foods in the stores. So people tend to buy prepackaged or frozen or low-cost food. Not having those options in the community is kind of a struggle when it comes to making meals for your family because you're not getting food that is fresh. The long-term effects I see with our mailbox program is that families connecting more around dinner time, having conversation, understanding the food that they're putting in their bodies, and knowing what to do in the kitchen with ingredients. The grant from Sun Life will help us continue to get mailboxes into the hands of over 400 plus families that we currently serve.
During COVID, it was very difficult and scary for people to leave home. This was their way of getting food to homes, to people in the community, and getting those boxes out to the homes of people with kids and families and older people and sick people was really an amazing feat.
The Community Cooks Mailbox is something that I believe that should stay around in the community and not go away. And the only way to do that is from having help from people like you at Sun Life.
As I noticed how when I would get into the modes with my mental illness and it really assisted me, I was like, this is not just income related. It's a more meaningful way to live.
We know that the need in the community is high, and there are people that's out there that's waiting to join our program. People like you at Sun Life is made it possible for us to continue doing this. Thank you.